Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since we've done a cleaning video over here. Oh my goodness, has it been a while. That is mainly because I was on bed rest for the last part of my pregnancy, and now I have had my beautiful daughter. If you would like to hear that birth story, that was my very last video I put up. I will have that linked here in the description and up above in the cards where you can go check that out if you like to hear birth stories like that. But first of all, I needed to get my house back in order after that long stitch of letting my husband do everything. When I went into his drawers to put his clothes away, I couldn't even put things away until I straightened things up in these drawers. It was awful. So I refolded all of his shirts and his shorts in his drawers before I even began putting things away. And then I was able to put away the laundry that I had sitting in the baskets. For at this point, I think it had been like a week that this load of clothes was just waiting to be put away. And in that time, I had a lot of clothes stacking up, waiting to be washed as well. Here is all those clothes that I had also been avoiding, and they'd just been stacking up in here, and I didn't even have a laundry basket to put them in because the laundry baskets were full of clothes. So I started a load and got every bit of this wash this day, but you know what? I did not get it folded until like 2 days later, and then like a week later it was finally put away. Do y'all do that, or am I the only one? I can't be the only one. Then I moved on to the kitchen. I needed to empty the dishwasher, and this dishwasher in this house, I don't know what it is. I don't think it gets hot enough to actually dry the dishes, so I have to kind of like towel dry them a little bit before I actually put them away, and it's really annoying. I wish I could just open up the dishwasher and then be piping hot and ready to be put away, but that's not the case. We're gonna work on it and do some investigating and see what's wrong.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time.
I absolutely love having this big island in our new house. It is great for the kids to eat breakfast at. and for us to just have quick little snacks and stuff like that. But also, it's a major catch-all. Usually it looks way worse than this right here, but you can see at the end of the counter there's just stuff that just is piled up. Half that stuff is still there today just because we have not put it away. But it definitely just catches every little thing that we don't want to put away at the moment. It ends up here. I love this Mrs. Meyer's surface cleaner, but my kid got a hold of it and he kind of destroyed the squirter parts. So I'm going to have to put this in a different bottle. But isn't that just kind of a sad performance from it right there?
I'm coming home, longing for you, pick up the phone, catching the flight, I'm coming home.
If you have a white sink, Barkeeper's Friend will be your best friend. Get this stuff and scrub down your sinks. It takes away all of those coffee stains and everything like that and makes your sinks shine. It makes them so pretty. After I was done in the kitchen, I needed to hang up this load of clothes that had also just been sitting in a basket, and all of the hang up stuff I avoid, just like putting away the other stuff. I just wasn't feeling laundry motivated. I don't know if I'm ever feeling motivated to do my laundry, but definitely haven't been feeling it lately. So all of this stuff really needed to be hung up and put away into our closet.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
after I was done hanging up all of those clothes, I moved on to my kids' bedroom, and you can see that they just dumped out all of their toys out of this basket. I need to get them like an actual toy basket in here, but we try to keep all of the toys upstairs for the most part in this new house, and it just keeps the bottom part of our house looking a lot cleaner without all the toy clutter. And then these books, I love for them to have books in their room where we can read them together and they can read through them, or I guess look through them because they both can't read yet. But I love having the books in here as an option for them, but they always destroy these dang books. So I'm going to once again straighten them up and put them back. I used to put them like in size order, all pretty and everything, and now I just try to get them on the shelf.
I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep, and that you
Ooh, isn't that a lovely angle showing you my butt? But you are going to see that I don't actually make this bed fully. The cover that actually fits this bed was also dirty and needed to be cleaned. So I just kind of spread this cover out on the bed. My boys don't care. And also they don't even sleep on this bottom bunk. One of my boys sleeps on the top bunk and the other one sleeps in the nursery that you're going to see in a minute. Since that bottom bunk is hardly ever used anyways, I just threw some covers on there, however, and then threw the pillows on there and then made the top bunk.
fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulettes. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down and in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, baby.
toy room upstairs, and it is where we keep every bit of the toys. And you can see that the toys had even flowed into my office a little bit, so I picked up all the toys that were in my office, straightened books that were in there, and then started on the massive pile of toys that was in the toy room. I swear they just come in here and just dump out bins just to hear it hit the floor, but it was a wreck. After me and my husband put the boys to sleep this night, and after we took our showers, we came up here and tackled this together. You can't see my husband, but he is off screen, making sure that all of the toys that are spread around the room make it over to me where I can put them all back into their right bins. I try to keep it all organized and all of the like toys together in here. As of right now, this is how I'm doing it. We'll see if it lasts. I really do prefer it this way, but the kids just don't seem to really care that all of their dinosaurs are together or all their monster trucks are together. So we'll see if I give up on this one day and just start putting things wherever. But as of right now, this is kind of working for us.
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point? Never call me, and then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Now that the playroom is back in order, I just give everything a quick sweep, and then I called it a night.
There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Wouldn't you believe it that this was 3 hours worth of cleaning cut down into just 20 minutes? I wish I could move this fast in real life, but this, I hope, motivated you to get your house back in order and do that to-do list that you've been avoiding as well. And I will see you on the next one for some more cleaning motivation.
My time.